Hi, my name is Raja Venkatraman and I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader, and I'm now going to tell you a very important aspect of trading, and that is called as stop loss. Stop loss is a very integral part of trading, and when you're going to take a trade, you should always know where the stop loss is, because that's an important aspect, because stop loss is the wrong point of your analysis. Now, many of you are familiar with various kinds of stop losses. Stop losses can be based on the swing highs and lows. Stop loss can be set using pivots. Stop loss can be set using ATR. Stop loss can be set using momentum indicators as well. Now, when you have to design and set a stop loss, it may be challenging for few of you. Now, Now, if you are a beginner and if you are worried that how should I be setting my stop loss, you do not have to worry. NeoTrader has done it for you. NeoTrader has got a predefined set of rules where if you go to any of the page, we have got the predefined entry, stop loss and target, because based on the important parameters of movement, NeoTrader calculates the stop loss and ensures that you do not have to worry about the calculation. And that's how you can trade smarter with NeoTrader if you are a beginner, because every beginner has got these initial apprehensions and they wonder whether I should take the trade or I should not take the trade, where to set the stop loss. NeoTrader has sorted it for you. All you have to do is log into NeoTrader, open that respective page, check out the trade when it appears, and then take the trade with the predefined level so that your trading can become smarter and you can be on the pathway to consistent profit. Now, you may be a person who is trying to learn about the market. You may be a person who is trying to understand how technical analysis works. And if you are going to get into the market, you should always know that there are some important considerations to note about. And what am I talking about is important thresholds beyond which a trade will begin to function. And that's where the concept of pivots come into play. Any new beginner in the market using technical analysis, I strongly advocate that they should be using pivots, because pivots are very, very useful. Today, I am going to talk to you about a very simple and powerful stop loss approach using the concept of Camarilla pivots. Now, Camarilla pivots is a very strong threshold which, if exceeded, gives us very good idea. And when you use Camarilla pivot, you can very easily define the set of stop loss and your targets. Now, in NeoTrader, what have we done? We have ensured that this concept of Camarilla. So in Camarilla, there is a level called as H4 and on the upside, and there is a level called as L4 on the downside. Now, when this particular levels are crossed, there is a strong movement that is seen. Now, let me show you in NeoTrader how have we tracked. In NeoTrader, it continuously assesses the market, it evaluates the market condition, and then based on the price action, NeoTrader tells you exactly where a particular stock is moving above H4 or it is moving below L4. So, as a trader, you are always notified about that movement. And now, talking about notification, in NeoTrader, there is a very special page called as rolling ticker. In rolling ticker, what happens is you are continuously given an update on whichever basket is of your choice, whichever basket of your choice, you will get whenever a particular Camarilla message is triggered. So basically every level of Camarilla is tracked, and based on that you are getting notified. So now, while setting stop losses, it becomes useful for you that okay, this particular trade is crossing an important threshold. Now it is crossing H4. So when I'm, when it is crossing H4, I can take the trade and I can place my stop loss below H3. So when you want to know those levels and when you want to find out, you can very easily do it on the NeoTrader page itself. So let me show you how. In the NeoTrader page, you have got a levels section where you can find out where are the levels, when is it moving, and based on that, suppose a trade is crossing H4, you know that yes, you can place a stop loss below H3. So all these levels are given to you in NeoTrader, and through this you can easily take a trade because NeoTrader is notifying you that a particular trade has occurred, and then based on this page you can decide and take a trade and make some money from the market. Well, some of you are been there in the market for a while. You are familiar with many concepts like Camarilla, pivots, CPR, other many other tools. Now you want to ensure that when there is a trade emerging, how can you set your stop loss better, right? This is something which you are wanting to know because every day the market is moving in a different way, and when there is a lot of volatility, that is where the concept of ATR comes into play. So ATR is a very powerful way to measure the volatility because the volatility of the market keeps changing, volatility of the stock keeps changing. So ATR gives you a very good idea about how to set your stop loss and target. Now, how does it play a role? You can always calculate the ATR for a particular stock on that respective time frame and then take a cognizance of when to set the target, how to set the target, and how to set the stop loss. This particular aspect of ATR has been captured in NeoTrader, and on this page, called as the ATR ranges, what we have done is we have ensured that you get a readout of where there is high ATR, where there is low ATR, where there is a spike movement to the upside, where there is spike movement to the downside, and this ensures that you are always in the zone of the market action. Not only on the daily chart, ATR is calculated for the 30-minute chart, for the 60-minute chart, and even for the weekly chart, so that whatever be your style of trading, you are always having an edge. The whole objective of NeoTrader is to help you get an edge in the market so that whenever and whoever is coming into the marketplace, you will always be on the zone of profit because you are trading in a systematic way, you are trading in a smarter way, you are trading in a way in which you are going to succeed in the area of trading. So if you want to know more and if you want to find out how you can do this better, all you have to do is scan the QR code that has been flashed on your screen or check out the link along with this video and contact us for knowing the guidebook on how to set the stop loss to become a consistent and profitable trader.